Hi all, today I got a delivery from LPM Group Limited from Hong Kong with were supposed to be 32 ounces of silver, and I'm gonna do unpacking. Let's see, it's a second company I'm checking. Last time I was checking Bull and Silver company, which they sent me one damaged coin, and I called them. They told me to send the photos of the coin by email, so I did, and I received the email from them yesterday, and they said that they not gonna change the coin, so I'm left with one damaged coin, so that I will never use that company again. That's on my previous video. On the end of the on this video, I'm gonna put the previous link to the previous video, so you can see which company is it, so don't use it. Let's open this one and see how we go with this one. I hope everything will be okay, because I see that the companies are not very keen to do the returns, and that coin in the last one was really badly stained. I will try to dip it, and maybe the stain will go away. Maybe you can let me know in comments if the dipping of the coin in the chemical is worth it, or better leave the coin stained. Oh yeah, very difficult to open. Here. Well, the FedEx is good with packing. Supposed to be 32 ounces of coins. Oops. Let's see. What do we have here? Oops, sorry. Empty now. Okay, so in here, that's kind of heavy. Let's cut it. That's one roll of, we'll see what's that. One roll of, I have to get like some proper knife. Oh, ay. I paused the video for a second, and I opened it to don't bore you, because it's kind of difficult to open. So I managed to open it. That's Philharmonics, 20 Philharmonics. I'm gonna make some space here, and let's check them out. Are they okay or not? Oops, maybe. So that's the first one. They look very good condition. I don't if you can see it. So by now I'm happy. That's, I think, should be 20 of them. 25? 20, I think. Yeah, they're good. Three, four, five, 6, 7. They look all brilliant condition, so it should be fine. Yes, that's 6, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I bring the magnet. Let's check them with the magnet. Okay, non-magnetic. I get the wave and see if the wave is correct. That's okay. That's okay. 31.1. 31, that's okay. Cause I don't know why, but the pandas, which I bought from that other company, which is on the previous video, the pandas supposed to weigh the new ones 30 grams, and the pandas which I got, they weigh 31.7, 31.9. So I'm not sure. They are not magnetic. I have to buy the acid to check them if they're really silver, because they're almost 2 grams over the wave. So that's what's I don't like about them. In here should be some pandas as well, so we'll see. I don't know what's this one. That's 2 coins. Canadian. $5. Okay. Nice problem with focusing. Okay. $32, that's okay. That's good condition as well. 31.9. Okay, so that should be pandas. And yes, it's 10 of them here. 10 of them here is they look very good condition, so I'm not gonna take them out. I may take actually to wave them. It's 2015 and 2018. Let me take a few of them out. Okay, that's this one. That's 218. They are in the already in the. I didn't pay actually for the capsules or for the tube or for that exhibition box, so that's nice of them. And all the coins which I got today, they are in the perfect condition. So the company, which is called LPM Group Limited, they are from Hong Kong. I really recommend, and that would be it for this video. Next company I'm checking is, I think, Upmex, and there's actually Golden Mint. So few more videos to come. Please subscribe to the video, and if you're interested about the silver or cryptocurrency or metal detecting. And for now I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye.